yourself up. At least one thing I know how to do is crash well. Oh man, came down a little bit too fast around that corner, and the bike just started wobbling everywhere. No podía controlar la moto y se fue por aquí. Sí, creo que sí. Me lastimé un poco, pero casi nada. Sí, no sé, voy a checar ahorita. Sí, solo para levantarla un poco, si me ayuda. Muchas gracias por su ayuda. Well, got some good damage on the bike. Back brake is done. Front brake up broken on the front side. As far as I'm concerned, I'm okay. My wrist hurts pretty good, my right one. So I'm gonna have to fix this back brake here. Can't ride without. And I re-injured my kayaking injury. ¿Cómo? Sí, un martillo. Si tienes un martillo, bueno, sí, eso está bien. Ok, lo voy a... What? Ah. Ay,
¿Se partió?
No. Eso fue. ¿Qué pasó?
Allá hay...
Menos mal no estaba húmedo.
Sí, se estaba húmedo, pues, aquí.
Ese risco queda en la carretera, entonces es muy liso. Entonces, de pronto, si usted no conoce mucho la carretera, cuando viene a maniobrar, lo saco.
Sí. Mira aquí como lo rompió aquí, wow. Anyway, I've got broken front brake, broken back rear brake, broken handguard, and no front mirror, no right mirror. Oh my god, it is, look how low this is. It says 7 psi on, look at that, it's literally touching.
De aquí a su sacón son 5 minutos máximo.
Ok, bueno, vamos, yo voy a súper tranquilo para que encontremos una punta.
Hágale ya la suavecita.
The bike's running fine. I mean, KTM, baby, you gotta love these machines, man. Built for anything. Bad news is we're not gonna be able to deal with it. Not gonna be able to put it back in place. Maybe take the tire off. ¿Cómo? 30, perfecto, 30 está bien. 32. He did it, can't believe it. All right, one problem down. We're fixing a bike, helping a stranded California boy in the middle of nowhere fix a tire that would otherwise be lethal. It's $5,000, which is $1.05. So I'm gonna give him a 10 and thank him. Ahorita. I see, Suata, I see. My buddy here just recommended that I do not ride at night. He said it would be suicidal. So I might have to spend the night in this little town here. ¿Cómo se llama esta ciudad? Soata. ¿Y el pueblo allá? Guavita. Right up there. To the back we go. They're gonna be able to fix up a couple of things, but not everything, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to wait to get to Cartagena to swap out the parts and get it like as new as possible again, but I'm not too worried. I mean, front brake still works. The back brake, hopefully we can do something about that. What I love about here in Colombia, man, there's nothing. They're gonna fix it. If it can be fixed, they're gonna fix it. They're stapling the wind guards. They've soldered, stapled. They've used all these creative little ideas. Although she's not gonna be perfectly back to normal, she's gonna be good to go. Tire was working really good. I love these new tires on here. And the rim that was completely busted, it's hard to really tell where it is. It's right here. You can tell it's a little bit bent out of shape. And we got the mirror all sorted. And now the last thing is the lower rear brake. We're able to reconnect it. It's looking really good.